I don't know if you have seen this error while trying to upload file in your website. The uploaded file exceeds the upload mass file size directive in php.ini. This always occurs when the size is small and you want to upload a large file. We're going to correct this. To do this, you go to the cPanel of that website. So we are in the cPanel of that website. Then you go to multi-php.ini editor, click on it, and then you select the website. In this case, Madeal Associates. You select it. And after selecting, you scroll down to the file you are looking for to increase the size. Okay, so we're increasing the size of the file there to 200 MB. Then you still go back to post mass size and also increase it, because the size of this post mass should be higher than the other file size. So since this other one is 200 MB, you increase this to 210 MB and then apply. Hope you enjoy it.